Indian Premier League IPL 2026, match number 9, Rajasthan Royals vs Gujarat Titans, both teams playing 11. Starting date 4 April 2026, time 7:30 pm Indian Standard Time, venue Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Rajasthan Royals best playing 11. Number 1, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Number 2, Yashav Jaiswal. Number 3, Ryan Frack. Number 4, Dhruv Jurel. Number 5, Ravindra Jadeja. Number 6, Simron Hitmar. Number 7, Dasun Shananka. Number 8, Chopra Arthar. Number 9, Sandeep Sharma. Number 10, Ravi Bishnoi. Number 11, Tushar Deshpande. Gujarat Titans best playing 11. Number 1, Shubman Gill. Number 2, Glenn Phillips. Number 3, Sai Sudarshan. Number 4, Rahul Tiwota. Number 5, Josh Butler. Number 6, Washington Sundar. Number 7, Kaigoso Rabada. Number 8, Rashid Khan. Number 9, Mohammad Shiraz. Number 10, Fashad Krishna. Number 11, Shai Kishore. Which is your favorite team? Thanks for your watching.